this your first time maiden voyage?
Yeah, boy.
So, Silverstone hospitality set up. Chuck's here, and we're just setting the board up with our Nedbit and King Julian. It's wet at the minute. Staying dry for the weekend though, isn't it? But at the minute it's wet. We've got a little present for Julian's box here. Little King Julian sticker for our kid.
King Julian.
We like to move it, move it. I think here would be better. So, Luke's stickers are poo. Won't stick on this box, unfortunately. So, it's another one of Silverstone is. Luke needs to improve his sticker making skills, bud. Julian's been a naughty boy. Been a naughty boy, haven't you? Yeah. Who's paying the fine?
Not me.
Have we got any channels yet?
Sure.
Me out, Julie.
Yes, brother.
Doing a bit of maintenance on the steed.
We're on it.
We're on it. Getting the forks out to go get a little bit of a tune up, freshen up, get some Nesbitt bikes in the colours. I think our fairings are here, aren't they now? So we'll get some colours on it, get it dressed up, ready for FP1 tomorrow. Go on. Give us a twizzle. Oh, look at that sheen on his teeth. Smiling away, man.
Fresh guy.
Gives it a twirl. Go on, lad. I know. Oh, can't spin the camera on. There we go. Fresh jacket. And we're off to a rider's briefing.
Oh, I can't wait.
Go get told what we can and can't do this year.
Yeah.
But on the way, I'll have a little coffee as well. I hope the weather isn't like this for the weekend. Jesus Christ. Don't say that.
Well, I'm just saying.
God. Shit tongue up. Ready to go. We've got some freshies, some presents here.
God, we're factory.
Oh,
grief.
Go on. What have we got? Pull something out. Pull something out.
We've got socks, we've got jumpers.
Nice. I got a bag. Got a few t-shirts. RST socks. Bad boys. Got a hoodie there.
On one for a week.
Hey, it won't stink anymore now.
Nah.
Plenty of fresh tops. Another jumper. Beautiful. Oh, we got to stock up on some knee sliders. Some wet knee sliders. I think where they. Yeah. For when it's wet, to get a bit more depth on them. Easy to get your knee down, get a feel. About to get suited and booted, ready for first practice of the year.
Grief, we're factory.
Oh, aye. Factory Frank Boy. I got some pictures took first on the grid, and then we're out for FP1. See you there. So, going into free practice 2 now. Just got a few more little things to try after that session. More about getting the laps in now. Obviously, we're not in the dry on it, so it's just about spinning laps. We ran a harder tyre that session, which I've never used before, so it was just literally spin laps and get a feel for it. That was about it, really. Just rode around. The bike didn't feel too bad, a few little issues, but as in trying to get a feel for the front. But I think we've got a plan for this session. Just work through that. Steady away. I don't think not too bothered about getting through to Q2. It's just more about, like say, getting laps in and seeing what tyre wear's like round here, because it can be quite aggressive on the tyres. So you can't run the XE, you've got to run the 0. But there was a harder tyre then with Duran, but we're going to see what the 0 is like now and go from there. stressful weekend, hasn't it? We haven't really caught up. Unfortunately, yesterday I had a bit of a spill in FP2, set us back a bit. Feeling wasn't great with the bike, but obviously looked through the data all last night, been through everything, and made a step today. One of them, FP3 was horrendous, wasn't it? I can't remember where he was for it, but ended up last. And then qualifying, I went out. We made a fairly big change with the bike. So yeah, in the qualifying I think I went like 1 point something second faster, so instantly a lot better.
Second in Q1.
So yeah, we went out in Q1, got straight through, P2 in that class, and then went out for Q2. Again for us, really good, valuable at times, valuable data. And I think we hit 16th, was it, we ended up?
Yeah.
So yeah, really good, we made a massive step. And then in the race then we worked a bunch. Thought it was going to be a really good race, got a good start, away with everyone. But unfortunately, I got a bit of a slipstream and got sucked into turn 2 and 3 in it, maggot sort of thing. Just couldn't stop the bike, and had to rejoin the race at the very back of it. Tyre life seemed good, so make a few changes again for tonight, try and improve this process further. And I think we should have a good race tomorrow. Race 2 and 3 should be good.
Try it morning warm.
Yeah.
Starts in.
Little clutch job on. Did you check this after every race or just every evening? Just after the evening race?
Saturday night.
Saturday night is clutch night. You sussed it? Honda technician now? Here she is after a race. Bit rubbered up, Silverstone at its finest. Go on, man. You happy, Luke?
Yeah, done alright, mate.
How was your race?
Yeah, not bad. Long walk to first corner. That's right.
Yeah, finally got somewhere with the steed this weekend. We struggled with feeling all weekend, but really made up with how we finished. Got a good feeling, had a good race, good strong race. We got a point this morning, and just chipped away. I think that's all we need to do, just keep steady away and keep chipping. We're good on used tyres, so that's a bonus. We just need to try and improve the front end feel a bit on the brakes, but apart from that, we're good. Had a good weekend, good fun. Good fun. Luke's tired, he's worn out, not used to all this. Cheers guys, and I'll see you in a bit.